Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the KIRO token. Now KIRO is basically Neiro on the Kaspa blockchain. So Kaspa tokens, Kaspa meme coins, they'll take a popular meme, they'll throw a K in there, and so now we have KIRO. Now Neiro is basically Kabosu, you know, the original Dogecoin, the real life dog was named Kabosu, and the Kabosu mom, has her own social medias like Instagram and whatnot where she posts pictures. She posted a picture of Doge's brother Neiro, and then that token took off. And then there's been tons of spin-offs, like baby Neiro, all sorts of things. Other animals have been turned into meme coins that she owns or has in her house. And so, yeah, then we had Neiro, and now we have KIRO, the Kaspa Neiro KRC20 token. And this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting today, December 9th. And we're going to go over the information on the KIRO token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, their webpage is kiro.xyz. Over there you can find a buy button. It says white paper. I tried clicking on it 3 different ways and no white paper came up. So maybe they're working on the white paper right now and it's not available yet. It does say white paper though in like 3 different spots, so I'm sure it's coming soon. They have the listing donations address in case you want to donate to the project, but just be aware that that is not the contract address for this token. That is the listing donations address that they have on their webpage. But they also have a new central exchange listing that just popped up today on X. So it says here, the KIRO token, new listing, KIRO on Kaspa, a KRC20 meme coin, will be listed today, December 9th, at 9:30 a.m. UTC time in the automated market maker spot grid trading zone. So basically just the spot trading zone on a very big central exchange called Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search KEIRO, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. So it is available now. It is past 9:30 a.m. UTC time, so you can get it right now off of Coinex Global. Now there's other ways to get the token as well. We're going to go over that in a second. So, they have a Telegram at KIRO on Kaspa. 703 members, 191 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion with other community members, ask questions, talk to people, learn more that way. It says KIRO is a community-driven fair launch token on the KRC20 network, designed with a zero team allocation. This ensures a truly decentralized approach, empowering the community to guide its growth and development. So that's what it says there on the Telegram. Now you can find this token on cas.fyi/token/KRC20/KIRO. Their webpage, as I mentioned earlier, is kiro.xyz. And they have contact info on there in case you need to reach out to the team. And then their Twitter. As usual, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here. At KIRO on Kaspa. 234 posts. Blue verified checkmark. It says KIRO is fair launched with zero pre-mint, no team or VC allocation. Has a link to the Telegram, link to the webpage right there. They just joined in September 2024. And they already have 2,282 followers. And you can see that they are followed by Coinex Global, where they just got listed. And then in their pinned tweet 6 hours ago, exciting news, KIRO is now listed on Coinex.com or Coinex, whatever. It says Coinex.com, which is their Twitter. And it says start trading with the pair USDT. So check that out. Like I said, a Coinex Global referral code down there if you don't have an account. And yeah, this token here is up 0.24% today. So, you know, kind of staying the same today. Circulating supply market cap, $8.96 million. They have 28.69 billion total tokens in circulation. And yeah, their total market cap is also $8.96 million. And 24-hour trading volume, $66,970 US. So pretty popular token here. So catch the future and hold more KIRO. KIRO, future of meme coins. Now, it says KIRO is changing the game. Built on the powerful Kaspa block DAG, KIRO is here for a fair launch with no pre-mine, 100% decentralized. And then it says how to start. Set up your wallet. So if you want to buy this token off a buy bot, they have step-by-steps to use the buy bot on the webpage. And you can click buy. But it says for those who missed out, don't worry. You can still buy KIRO from the KIRO marketplace. Just use the Kspr bot to grab your KIRO. So they talk about setting up a wallet. Then go to the Kspr bot. Import your private key, generate a new wallet, then fund with Kaspa, use the /marketplace command, enter the ticker symbol, the quantity, confirm the buy request, your KIRO tokens will appear into your wallet. So you just follow all these steps on the webpage if you want to do it that way. Or the real easy way is off Coinex Global down there in the description box and just get some USDT and search KIRO in the spot trading zone. So it says donations are welcome. Help us further power the project. Any amount contributes to the strength of our mission. So they have that there. It says a roadmap will be coming soon. It's not available yet. And yeah, that's basically about it until their white paper is downloaded. It says this token was officially launched September 18th. So they're just starting to get some big central exchange listings here. And yeah, that's basically about it on this token. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about KIRO? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.